what I know about South Africa,
Yeah.
they will take you there, bakubeke la. Bayayiyehla inqola yakho mawuphapha.
Very fast.
South Africans bayayiyehla inqola yakho mawuphapha. Bayakususa la bakubeke khona, bavele bakubeke la phansi. So that's why ngithi not to say manje mawi public figure sekumele uphaphelwe wonke umuntu. Siya understand that guys nani like followers and fans. You need to respect artists. Mele niwahlonipha ama-artist. Anyeke baze baniphe attention nonke. You must understand that ukuthi umuntu makayi-public figure ayeke aniphe attention no. Yes, they appreciate ukuthi ngiyabafollowa, you are their fans. But makathola isikhathi uzomupha umuntu isikhathi amupha sona. Nani ma-followers, don't pressurize ama-artists in the name of saying yeah uyazitshela and all that. I'm not contradicting myself. I'm just saying I'm on both sides. The artist, the fan. You understand?
Yes.
So do not pressurize the artist. Nani ama artist ningabi so cold towards your fans. That's what I'm trying to say. It's because of ama followers wenu nama fans wenu. Abantu abanithanda